Hi guys. So maybe so tomorrow's CPR is a one-liner CPR in Nifty baby. So maybe whenever the one-liner CPR comes in, so you should know that whenever the one-liner CPR comes in, so logically, what can happen is like it can be like now mera and tera, it'll try to go up, it'll tell you that it's just going up, then suddenly it will drop down, then it just drops down, it'll tell you suddenly that it's going to go up. So whenever the one-liner CPR comes in the picture, so kuch nahi hoega market mein. That's all I can say. So if the candle is opening, okay, logic is very simple over here. In one-liner CPR, so in one-liner CPR, the logic is very simple. If the candle opens, okay, one second. If the candle opens, somewhere over here, it can tell you that a good rally can happen in the market. And if the candle opens, below previous year low line or S1, you can say that the rally can happen at the bottom side. So in one-liner CPR, the logic is very simple. It will just go on. It will tell you that it's going up, it will drop down. It will tell you that it's going down, it will come up. So that's the logic in one-liner CPR. So tomorrow CPR logic wise is the one-liner CPR. So maybe it's a very good trade for us scalpers. That's all. It's a very good trade for us scalpers. And it just opens above this point. That is more than 19,365 or maybe 19,370. Then yeah, you can say the rally can happen. Or if the candle is opening below 19,230, then maybe the rally can happen at the bottom. And logically, it's going in an ascending CPR, okay? Logically, it's going in an ascending CPR. So that's the logic. So major resistance and support. So if the candle is opening about 19,306, okay. So if the candle is opening above 19,306, the chances of going and touching, that is 19,360, 357. So today also it dropped down from that point. It just goes about this line. That is 19,366. Then the chances of a rally can happen. Or else wahi mera tera can happen in the market. So whatever I'm telling you is a technical, okay? Technically, what can happen tomorrow in the market? So it's an ascending CPR. So the candle opens about 19,306. You can say that yeah, वो ऊपर जा सकता है. That's all. Okay. Let's check in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty is a narrow CPR. Logic is very simple. If the candle is opening somewhere over here, okay, because it's an ascending CPR, so that means the rally can happen. But when the rally can happen, according to the Nifty logic, अगर वो previous day high line के ऊपर है, or if it's above previous, or if it's below previous day low line, तब जाके you can say that yeah, it can drop down. So अगर if the candle is opening somewhere over here, to 9.7, I can tell you the logic. If it doesn't break R1, it will come to the 50%. That's your target. Uske baad, CPR is a target. That's all. So tomorrow, if the candle is opening above CPR, you can say that yeah, the candle might pull up because yeah, ascending CPR. In ascending CPR, the logic is very simple. If the candle opens above CPR, it might go in positive mode. If the candle is opening below CPR, it can go in negative mode. That's the simple logic of ascending and descending CPR. Okay. So that's the technical logic. What can happen in the market? But tomorrow 9-7 I'll be there. Kal dekhte happen. So right now, that was a technical logic that what can the market can do. Very good resistance and support. These are very good resistance support. If the market goes above 44,610, it can go and touch 44,951. अगर कल का कैंडल अगर यहाँ पे नीचे ओपन होता है 44,468, then chances of dropping down might be possible. शायद 44,000 psychological figure. Okay, ये logic है. So technically what can happen tomorrow? Okay, sorry. Technically I told what can happen. Shankically what can happen in the market, I will let you know. Shankically what I feel, maybe you have to check the jail bar in 15-minute time frame or you have to check the jail bar in 30-minute time frame की क्या चल रहा है. And today there was a blast candle, so maybe वगैरह भागेगा. और कल तो मैं भी देता हूं मैं आपको अपना मंगल. So maybe let's see. Last मंगल of the day, last मंगल of the week, you can say. So technically what I want to tell, I told you. Shankically मेरे को क्या लगता है, सी मेरे को लगता है कि कल सुबह सुबह ऐसा नीचे आएगा, ऊपर जाएगा, थोड़ा नीचे, देन ऊपर. सो ये जो ट्रांजैक्शन है ऊपर, इट विल बी वेरी स्लो. नीचे आएगा, this transaction will be very slow. So what I'm telling you, like, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, what I'm expecting in the market, I'll tell you. So tomorrow I'm expecting a fly pattern in the market. So maybe if I'm wrong or right, I don't know. But yeah, fly pattern आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. For that, you have to check the jail bar. Jail bar, अगर 5 मिनट में bluff करता है, you have to go with the 15-minute time frame. 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम हाँ बोल रहा है, तो लेट्स हाँ, that's all. Okay. So that's all for the days, guys. And yeah, अपना ब्लैक पैंथर मरेगा ये वीक. नेक्स्ट वीक में कुछ नया आएगा. एंड मे बी बैंगलोर सेमिनार 14-15, उसमें मे बी 3 Black Panther will come. If this Black Panther dies, so 3 Black Panther will come on Bangalore seminar. That's what I want to tell you. That's all for the days, guys. कल देखते हैं क्या बोलते हैं अपना बजट. Bye guys, see you.